It's one big pillar. The other is IT services. And Reema has had a busy week and busy week ahead as well. Reema?
So I think one thing that stands out clearly is companies are struggling for growth. And many analysts are pointing out that this could be a long drawn period when growth rates are going to be muted. But I think the more interesting thing is what's happening on the margin front. HCL Tech lowered the margin guidance by 100 basis points. TCS failed to show any meaningful expansion in their margins despite a lower contribution coming in from BSNL. And companies are taking steps to arrest this margin weakness, right? Look at the wage hikes. So far, no IT company has given a wage hike, right? TCS was the only one which used to always give 1st of April. The only time in their history when they didn't was during COVID. But this time they're not giving it. They've still, even after 3 months when we asked them, they're still saying we're waiting for the macros, to settle down to decide that. So clearly there's something happening on the cost front, right? You could say it's AI related, maybe AI is deflationary, maybe companies have overhired and they're still paying the price for it. HCL Tech also spoke about restructuring. They're yet to give out the details of the restructuring, but basically on one hand, they're going to cut back on their extra office space, maybe internationally, so they're going to optimize that. But they also said very specifically there's going to be people-based restructuring, and there is a one-time exercise. So are they going to rationalize their overall headcount? So, and Ambit, in their note, they say, I think, it was post HCL Tech, but they're basically saying that will margins be the next casualty after growth in the sector? Even the hiring has been so muted. In the last 12 months, Wipro has cut close to about 1,100 employees. For Tech Mahindra and HCL Tech, the hiring has been very, very marginal in the last 12 months. And again, just to recap the growth numbers, all 4 IT companies have reported a constant currency revenue decline in Q1. Right on top in terms of worse off was TCS, minus 3.3%. But even the others, Wipro was down 2%, Tech Mahindra was down 1.5%. So, things have been tough on growth. We knew that. But I think this time, what's happened on the margin front, on the cost side, has been a little different from the past, and it's interesting. What is your own takeaway?
No, I think you